Farrah Abraham, star of this year's Celebrity Big Brother, knows what Christmas is all about. Farrah has pulled on her best sexy Mrs Claus outfit for a new photo shoot that sees her tickling a giant bear under the chin. We were going to say she's channeling Kate Moss, but then realized that it's not true. Farrah's wearing a pair of knickers that do not look suitable for the North Pole and shoes that are in no way as sturdy as Santa's trusty Wellington boots. Want to see more of Teen Mom star in her bra and pants? You can. She shared a photo of herself wearing a bra that looks a bit like a lacy breastplate, which is quite the look. We have just realized that Farrah's advertising a site called Eye Candy, which our eyes see is a sexy social network where there is no restriction on posting of female nipple. Check her looking hotter and sexier than ever right here and enjoy.